Sometimes we can get so busy to where we don't have time to fully entertain our family, friends, and guests like we would like. So today in this video, I am going to reveal to you one of the secrets that I always do when I just have a lot on my plate, but I still want to make everyone feel at home. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Now, as soon as I know that we're having guests coming over, I go ahead and I get out everything that I want to serve or everything that I want to display. I get that washed and dried so that it won't be too hectic the morning or the day of for me to set up. This next step saves you so much time. As soon as you know that you have guests, family, friends coming, go ahead and get everything set up. Even if it's 3 or 4 days ahead of time, you will save so much time and you don't have to fumble around like me looking for stuff. It's already there. Now, I may change a little bit or change around a little bit, but what I'm going to display and what I'm going to serve is already set up, and it saves so much time. And thank you at Be My Guest with Denise for this beautiful tutorial on the elevated stand that kind of gives you height when you're displaying your items and your food. So I'll make sure that I link that video below. Hi everyone, it is Friday and I am finally off of work. Oh my goodness. Today I wanted to share with you a little secret. So, just in case my friends and family see this, don't tell them the secret. But a lot of times when we have guests, what I do is I get up and I cook this big spread, or I bake or make something. But it's Christmas, holidays, and it's a lot going on. And so when this happens to me, it's not that I don't want to bake or cook, but it's just time is not on my side right now. So I want to share with you what I do when this is the case. And so that way, if you have friends, family, guests come over, you could possibly do the same, and everybody will be happy, you will be happy, and the world will be a better place. Okay, so it is December the 14th, and it is 64 degrees, but it is a nasty, rainy 64 degrees. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you exactly where I am at. Okay, so here is my secret right here. And let me tell you, it doesn't have to be Sam's Club. It could be your grocery store, whoever sells muffins, pastries, croissants. As a matter of fact, sometimes I go to Publix and sometimes I go to Kroger. But since this is like on my way home, I am going here today. So let's see what they have. So here is like their big breakfast assorted tray, and this would definitely be ideal if you have a lot of guests, and that way you get a sample of everything. And so it's only $20, but you can't go wrong. To me, I would spend this $20 just to save myself so much time in the kitchen during this time of year. Okay, so they're doing some type of giveaway today in Sam's Club, and they are extremely loud. Like, you have 60 seconds to get to this orange flag. But anyway, I just wanted to show you, if you didn't want to go the option of the assorted breakfast tray, they have a variety of muffins that you can put out for your guests. Or they also have the big muffins, and they have the smaller muffins, and they have like the little cinnamon roll muffins. But these right here that I'm showing you are the exact same. That's what's in the breakfast tray sampler. I mean, if you wanted to put out this colossal cinnamon roll, you could do that too. But there's just so much to choose from, just depending on what your guests like or what your family like. You could put out turnovers. There's just so much and so many options that you can do, but it will definitely save you so much time in the end. I mean, you just have to display it, or like this zucchini walnut bread, just cut it up in either squares or slices and just display it very nice. But it won't take you a long time because it's already baked, so you're just putting it out for everyone to enjoy. Bagels and croissants are always a good option. Also, normally if you're doing the bagels, you can get an assorted variety pack, and then you can put out like the different cream cheeses. I know now they have different flavors, so that would definitely be a very good option. And also the croissants would be a good option too. A lot of times when I serve croissants, I'll have like different sliced cheeses and deli meat if you want to, you know, make like a croissant sandwich with it, or you can eat it plain. So just depending on how many guests you have, there is so much to choose from. And so this just helps me. That's my secret. This helps me when I have a lot that I have to do. But like I said before, I still want to make everyone feel at home, and I definitely want them to enjoy themselves. So I want to show you really quickly what I picked up, because I am going to have to camouflage these assorted pastries, because my crew here at the house will go in them, and by the morning time I probably won't have half of what is in this tray, because they'll keep going in there and eating before I get a chance to display everything. So basically I got the assorted pastries here. You got pastries, you have muffins, and when I priced them out individually, where it's separated, like I think the cinnamon roll muffins were like $6, and then the croissants were like $6. So it really was cheaper for me to just get this assorted pack for $20 here. And then I also got some apple juice, and normally I get orange juice, but this one has mango in there, so we'll try that out. And then I also get just fill up one of the carafes with just some regular water. So let me go ahead and get this camouflage so no one can tell. Some things I have to hide things in plain sight, so I'll do that, and then in the morning I'll get everything up and displayed, and it will not take any time. And that's basically a nice continental breakfast for your guests, for your friends, for your family. If you're having a gathering at your home, you don't have to do a lot of baking, you don't have to do a lot of work. All you have to do is just display things really nicely and set everything out. Now on the display that I have, I know everything won't go on there at once, but as guests come and take things off of the display, I'll just keep refilling the display up and just make sure that it's full. Good morning, everyone. So it is the next morning, and I wanted to show you very quick before we actually set everything up is I did just a little bit of prep last night. So last night I went ahead and I filled my carafes with the orange and mango juice, the apple juice, and just some filtered water. And then I also took out this bag of mixed fruit. Now it comes frozen, but I go ahead and take it out and put it in the refrigerator so that it can be defrosted and thawed out by the next morning. And super easy. So all I have to do now is just go ahead and fill up my stand with my assorted muffins and pastry that we purchased, and I have way more than I need. So as guests serve themselves, I'll just continue to refill the stand and that's all it is to it, and that literally took no time. So basically the only time it took is you setting up everything and displaying everything the morning of, and just a little bit of prep work at night. It literally took under 5 minutes. You just want to place everything how you like it. I definitely wanted to leave a little space open so that you can see the tags with the muffins and the pastries or the assorted fruits, but you just place it like you like it, under 5 minutes, and your continental breakfast is now served. If you have overnight guests and you guys have an itinerary or something that you have to do that next morning, this is perfect. Just napkins, plates, and glasses or cups, and you just pretty much get your continental breakfast and you are ready to go ahead and enjoy the rest of your day. So let me know in the comments below if you have any secrets that you do when you have guests or family or friends that come over to make things easier for you. I would love to hear it. So I hope that everyone is enjoying this holiday season, and I hope that you are taking time to enjoy time with your family, your friends, and your guests this season. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're not a subscriber, we would love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell to ensure that you'll receive notification each and every time we upload a video. I also hope you share this with your family and your friends, so this way they could see my secret on when entertaining or having family, friends, and guests over. This is just a shortcut. And as always, thank you so much again for watching this video, and until the next video, bye bye.